Hi guys, good morning. You must be thinking, weird title, normal clothes, no canvas on the table. That's because I'm gonna do a project and you can be a part of it. Well, I even need you. So let me tell you all about this. Oh, look at my mustache. I'm just placing skins on my skin because it has everything to do with what I'm gonna tell you today. So I want to talk to you about my project because I had a couple of comments on my YouTube channel what I did with my drip offs and run offs from the paintings. I let them dry, and if they dry you get these skins. And they can be very gorgeous. These are not that pretty, but they can be so gorgeous, maybe even better than the painting itself. But yeah, what are you doing with them? So I make some jewelry, but I have a lot of skins left and I don't like the paint wasted. So I was thinking, I need to do something with that. And that's where you come in, because probably you have the same problem, the paint wasted and leftover skins. So how awesome would it be that I would make one massive piece of artwork with all these dried skins from you guys. So you can donate your skins to me and I will try to make a life-size painting. And if you stand from it, that you see sort of a body, a sort of face. We are one skin, make it one skin. And in all these skins, you must imagine, there's so much imagination, minds, artists, paintings float from that. So yeah, if I'm picturing this in my head, this is something massive and epic. So here I want your help. And you can donate your skins to me. I made a webpage on my website where I post the address. And of course, if you're participating in this project, you will be on the authenticity certificate and I will send you a print from the final result. And of course, Alex is gonna shoot all the videos that I'm receiving all your skins, that I'm making an artwork, making a plan and the final results. I'm so much looking forward to this because we are one skin, guys. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, if you are an artist already for 10, 20 years, what culture you're from, if you're from Canada, Australia, Europe, I don't mind. Yeah, I'm so much looking forward to this.
You want to be a part of the skin? No?
So to recap, I'm asking you to participate in this project and make a sort of tribute for the fluid art community. So head over to my website to donate your skins and know what address and how you can send them. And also you can sign up for the newsletter to know every update and what we're doing with this. And guys, just thank you for making me do this, or that I can do this and I can ask this probably from you. I'm too excited for this project. Hashtag we are one skin.